Today, I'm going to show you how to record a loan payment in QuickBooks Online. For this tutorial, we'll use the check form. You can use this even if the payment was made electronically because it lets you split the loan payment between principal, interest, and any fees. First, sign into QuickBooks Online and open the correct company file. Before you start, have your loan statement ready so you can see how much of the payment went to principal, interest, and fees. From the dashboard, click New or Create. Then select Check. At the top of the form, choose the bank account the payment came from. In the Payee field, select the lender. Next, enter the payment date. Use the date the loan payment was actually made. If you paid by check, enter the check number. If you paid electronically, you can use the bank confirmation number or another reference number. Now go to the Category Details section. On the first line, select the loan liability account and enter the principal amount. This part is important because the principal reduces the loan balance. Do not record the principal as an expense. On the next line, select your interest expense account and enter the interest amount. If the loan statement includes any fees, add another line and choose the correct fee or bank charge expense account. Make sure the total of all lines equals the full payment amount. You can also add a memo with the loan number or payment period. If you have the loan statement or payment confirmation, attach it to the transaction. Before saving, review the payee, bank account, payment date, categories, and amounts. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close. QuickBooks will record the payment, reduce the loan balance for the principal portion, and record the interest or fees as expenses. If the payment later appears in your bank feed, match it to this transaction instead of adding it again. And that's how to record a loan payment in QuickBooks Online in 2026.